Hey cricket fans, welcome to my channel. Excited about the World Cup and India's stellar performance? Today gear up for a language upgrade with 3 awesome cricket idioms. Number 1, to hit someone for 6, meaning we use it to mean to shock or surprise someone or to be overwhelmed by something. It can be used in a negative or a positive way. For example, Rohit Sharma's batting prowess hits the opposition for 6, leaving them stunned. Number 2, to be stumped, meaning to have no idea or do not know how to solve a problem. For example, the opposing teams are completely stumped as all their strategies to overcome India have proven futile. Number 3, to have a good innings, meaning usually used to describe a long successful life or career. It's often used to describe someone who has lived a long life. Often this phrase is also used when someone has died. For example, Sachin Tendulkar was known for consistently having a good innings. So grateful for your time. Fingers crossed for India's triumph journey in the World Cup. Let's cheer for the victory together.